Hello everyone. So what we are going to discuss today is about the EEBD, that is emergency escape breathing device. So we'll be seeing the requirement, the construction, its parts and the SOLAS requirement, whatever is there. So we'll go one by one. So when we talk about that is in short form we know it as EEBD, but the full form is emergency escape breathing device. So if we define it, it is a self-contained compressed air apparatus for escape from a contaminated environment. So it is only used for, it is a compressed air is stored in a cylinder, small cylinder, and it is only used for escape purpose. It is not being used for any other purpose. For firefighting, we have SCAVA, self-contained breathing apparatus. When we talk about constructional feature of EVD, then it has a cylinder. Now this is a compressed air cylinder that with a capacity about 600 liter. So the capacity of cylinder is 600 liters, lasting at least 15 minutes for breathing time. The cylinder is charged with breathing air compressor, and suitable adapter will be used to charge it, or it may be charged by an external authority in port. Okay. When we talk about hood and face piece, so here you see, so this is the cylinder of 600 liter, that means this is the hood or piece. This is the face shield which is fire resistant. So when we talk about hood and piece, this is a part of supplies oxygen to the wearer from the cylinder and covers his head and face when evacuating. Okay. Clear window is provided in the face piece and is made up of flame resistant material for clear sighting and smooth skipping. Also referred to as visor, it is also known as visor. In SCAPA also we have this visor. We are doing visor test in SCAPA. This is in place to ensure maximum practicable visibility. There is a pressure indicator. This is in place to know the remaining pressure and to know when to recharge the air in it. When we talk about SOLAS requirement, then EEBD shall comply with fire safety system safety code, that is chapter 3. EEBD should be approved by the authority. All cargo ships must carry at least 2 EBD in the accommodation area, at least 2 EBD. All passenger ships must carry at least 2 EBD in the main vertical zones. Okay, for ships carrying more than 36 passengers, for passenger vessel 2 EBD are additionally required in each main vertical zone. For cargo ships in vertical zones, and for passenger ships 2 extra, that is 4. These are at least, you can have an upper limit. EBD is to be located in easily visible area of machinery space, mostly in engine room, workshop and near escape road. So you must have seen this everywhere. Brief instruction of operating and usage is given. So it is just, in a nutshell, if we tell, it is just for escape purpose, hazardous area, accommodation 2 EBD, engine room as per the layout and number of persons, audible alarm as soon as, because the total capacity is for 600 liter, which is for 15 minutes. After consumption of air, after 10 minutes we get an alarm that yes, only 5 minutes are left. Clear window in the face shield, which is fire resistant. So this is fire resistant. It has an so there is a spare EBD. That EBD cannot be used, which are installed everywhere for training purpose, because we have training, we have drills. Description of usage is given in the instruction. Expiry date is 15 years. When we talk about the check the indicator needle is in the green zone, thus ensuring that no leak has taken place. This should be done monthly. Keep the device case clean. This is only to be done monthly. Check and record expiry dates, and EVD is typically valid for about 15 years. Do not open an EVD in a designated area. Use the training piece for the purpose of training. The EVD should be stored with suitable protection device and is easily accessible area. The maintenance of EVD is chosen by shore people or manufacturer only. It has got a shelf life. So what are things that we are supposed to note down here is that EVD is self-contained breathing apparatus which has a cylinder which has a capacity of 600 liters for 15 minutes for a person breathing normally. In 10 minutes we get, after 10 minutes we get an alarm, that is audible alarm. It has a pressure gauge which indicates pressure. It has a face shield which has a visor. okay, which is fire resistant. Okay, it can only be used for what you call is escape purpose, no other purpose it should be used. Accommodation at least 2 EBD in passenger ship, in vertical zone 2 EBD, in passenger ships 4 minimum, okay, in vertical zone. So that's all for it. Thank you so much.